From revolutionizing health monitoring to transforming your morning shower, these breakthrough devices from CES 2025 and beyond are redefining how we live, work, and play. Let's explore the cutting-edge tech making its way into our homes and even our pockets. OMNIA, your comprehensive digital health companion. This is not merely a fitness device. Rather, it is an ecosystem for one's own particular health. For the purpose of evaluating your physical health in a number of different dimensions, this system, which was developed after 15 years of research and development, makes use of a number of sophisticated sensors and real-time scanning applications. Through a smooth synchronization with your smart scale, blood pressure monitor, and sleep analyzer, it is able to monitor and track important indications such as the variability of your heart rate, oxygen saturation, weight trends, sleep cycles, and more. It is the integrated medical connectivity that actually sets OMNIA apart from other medical systems. Through the use of the app, users are able to perform cardio check-ins and quickly share electrocardiograms with trained cardiologists. The platform also makes use of insights powered by artificial intelligence in order to simplify complicated medical data into information that can be easily understood. It does this by advising changes in lifestyle, early treatments, and suggestions for habit building. It is the equivalent of carrying around a cardiologist and a health coach round the clock in your pocket. Razer Project Ariel, personalized thermal comfort for gamers. The Razer Project Ariel isn't just another ergonomic chair. It's the next generation of smart seating designed for gamers, streamers, and home office users. Its mesh design is complemented by a powerful, yet silent bladeless fan system built directly into the seat and backrest. This airflow can be adjusted through software, letting users stay cool during intense gaming or warm during winter work sessions. Integrated with the Razer Fujin Pro, Ariel gives you fine control over ambient comfort, offering both heating, up to 30 degrees Celsius, and cooling, down by 5 degrees Celsius, functionality. It's engineered for long sessions, reducing fatigue and discomfort. Plus, the ability to control the temperature dynamically through the Razer Synapse software makes it an intelligent addition to your smart home ecosystem. Kohler Anthem, the smart shower of the future. Kohler Anthem revolutionizes the daily shower experience by turning it into a customized spa-like session. This digital showering system allows users to precisely control water temperature, pressure, and output across 6 different outlets. Whether it's a rain shower, body jet, or hand spray, each component can be programmed for different zones of your body. You can save up to 9 user profiles, so each household member gets their perfect experience at the push of a button. Paired with the Kohler mobile app, you can schedule showers, preheat water remotely, or monitor your water usage in real time. The minimalist touchscreen interface adds a touch of modern luxury to any bathroom. 369 Sonic Ultrasonic Kitchen Knife. High-tech meets culinary precision. This isn't your average chef's knife. The 369 Sonic Ultrasonic Kitchen Knife uses a blade that vibrates at 45,000 Hz times per second, allowing it to slice through the toughest or most delicate foods with zero effort. This technology reduces friction, preserving the structure and nutrients of fresh ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and meats. You won't crush tomatoes, smash berries, or crumble cookies. The blade vibrates so quickly that food doesn't stick to it, staying clean and razor sharp throughout your prep. The technology is borrowed from ultrasonic surgical tools and adapted for culinary excellence, meaning chefs, amateur or professional, can now achieve flawless cuts with minimal strain. Twilight Sleep and Wake Up Light. Simulated sunlight for better sleep. The Twilight Sleep and Wake Up Light is much more than a bedside lamp. Utilizing color-cast gradient projection, this light simulates natural sunrises and sunsets to align with your body's circadian rhythm. Wake up gently with gradually brightening light that mimics dawn, or fall asleep peacefully as it fades into a soothing sunset. The lamp is voice-controlled and can be automated to sync with your smart home system. It's also part of a larger lighting ecosystem, meaning you can sync all the smart lamps in your bedroom to create a holistic lighting atmosphere, ideal for sleep hygiene and emotional well-being. Its science-backed design promotes better sleep, improved mood, and enhanced focus. MagHub Go, the digital nomad's dream device. When it comes to digital tools, MagHub Go is like having a Swiss Army knife. It is ideal for business professionals, travelers, and innovators. It combines 3 necessities into a single pocket-sized powerhouse: a solid-state drive, SSD, with a capacity of 4 terabytes, a USB-C connector, and MagSafe compatibility, all of which are encased in biometric fingerprint encryption for the highest possible level of safety. This product is equipped with several USB ports, internal and external display outputs, and allows fast charging at 100 watts. Because of its ultra-portable design, it is an excellent choice for individuals who frequently travel between studios, workplaces, or airports. Your setup will be simplified, and your data will be protected with MagHub Go, regardless of whether you are backing up a shoot, presenting a pitch, or connecting to peripherals while you are on the move. Cyansky Vanguard, tactical tech that doubles as a fidget tool. The Cyansky Vanguard isn't just a flashlight, it's a multifunctional gadget made for tech-savvy adventurers. With a maximum brightness of 1,500 lumens and 7 lighting modes, including strobe and SOS, this tool is ideal for night hikes, emergency use, astronomy, or just practical everyday carry. It includes a green laser pointer for night sky tracking and pet entertainment, plus a rotating barrel-style interface that offers satisfying tactile feedback, aka fidget-worthy fun. With its onboard 500 mAh battery and optional upgrade to an 850 mAh lithium-ion cell, it boasts up to 310 hours of runtime, making it a rugged survival and exploration tool. Platypod Delta Travel Tripod. Portability without compromise. Compact photography gets a serious upgrade with the Platypod Delta. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium, this flat-pack tripod is light enough to carry anywhere but sturdy enough to support DSLRs and heavy lenses. Its fold-out titanium spikes make it stable on any surface, from forest floors to sandy beaches. The tripod includes multiple mounting points and is compatible with ball heads and smartphone mounts, offering pro-level flexibility. Whether you're capturing astrophotography, time-lapses, or remote landscape shots, this tripod makes professional results possible, without the bulk. Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max Autonomous Pool Cleaning Robot. Maintaining your pool is now effortless, thanks to the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This smart robotic pool cleaner vacuums both the surface and floor of your pool using FlexiPath 2.0 navigation, which creates efficient cleaning routes and ensures complete coverage. With just a 4-hour charge, it provides 5 hours of cleaning time. It's waterproof, obstacle-avoiding, and can even communicate with your smartphone to provide cleaning updates and status reports. Say goodbye to manual skimming or vacuuming. This bot keeps your pool ready for a swim at all times. Forgemaster Dice, legendary gear for tabletop warriors. With Forgemaster Dice, which are precision-engineered from solid metal and inspired by legendary blacksmithing, you can take your tabletop role-playing game sessions to the next level. These clockwork-style dice are modular and entirely configurable. They have attractive engravings, faces that are simple to read, and rolls that are unpredictable while yet maintaining the conventional randomness of dice. At any gaming night, these dice are sure to make a bold statement, because they were designed specifically for games such as Dungeons & Dragons, Pathfinder, and Warhammer. Players have the ability to customize sets according to the requirements of the game, and the mechanical build provides the gratifying sensation of gears rolling across the surface, combining aesthetics and gaming functionality. Plataforma Indoor Garden. Smart, clean farming at home. The Platform. Indoor Garden is a CES award-winning, Canadian-developed hydroponic system that uses fogponics, a method that delivers nutrient-rich fog directly to plant roots for optimal absorption. It's an all-in-one ecosystem capable of growing pesticide-free, organic produce indoors, year-round. Each unit supports up to 15 plant pods and needs water refilling just once every 2 to 3 weeks. With app-based controls and automation, you can track plant health, nutrient levels, and growth cycles from your phone. It's an eco-friendly, cost-effective way to grow herbs, leafy greens, and even strawberries. No green thumb required. Motor 03. Pocket Grooming. Redefined Motor 03 is a next-gen electric shaver packed into a lightweight, magnetically assembled body weighing just 120 grams. It features a purple copper NDF-EB motor that delivers high-speed, energy-efficient shaving power, while the self-abrasive cutter heads ensure lasting sharpness. Completely waterproof and designed for quick, convenient grooming, it includes a built-in mirror and a curved, ergonomic blade for a close shave on all facial contours. The cutter head can be swapped out in seconds, making this a travel-ready grooming solution that doesn't sacrifice quality. These tech innovations are pushing boundaries and showing us what's possible when science, design, and convenience meet. Whether you're enhancing your health, upgrading your workspace, simplifying your morning routine, or diving into your favorite hobbies, the future is smarter, sleeker, and far more connected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.